Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the explosion, or I should say controlled dynamite explosion by the workers at the new construction site of the Sweetwater Vistas to flatten the rocky bed of this section of the hill. As you can see, the workers in orange and green clothings, they are filling up the holes with dynamite, which will soon be exploded in a controlled fashion in order to level the ground. And on the left side, as you can see, they're working on those as well to explode those, for which I will have future footage. But currently we are only documenting the footage showing the right section where the two white vehicles are parked and where the workers are working. I had a special setup of a camera with extended power attached to the back because I don't know the exact timing of the explosion, so I wanted to be ready not to miss it, and it's pointed right at the explosion with high powerful zoom. So now the explosion will happen. Watch it on the right section of the frame. It's the sound will come later, but you will hear, because it's almost a mile and a half away, the camera is. So you will see the explosion and then you will hear the sound. So there is the explosion and the sound followed. As you can see, the entire hillside is nothing but dust and gravel, and the hard rock is completely gone, and it's like powdered dirt, which is much easier manageable. So now we will look at it from like a aerial flight to see how the site looks after the controlled explosion. So as you can see, they did a very precision and controlled and very accurate explosion. Very little dirt has fallen on the territory that needs to be protected. The orange lining is basically barely covered with a little bit of dirt, and the debris did not overspill in the protected region, is what I'm trying to say. And as you can see, the explosion was so nicely controlled that it didn't break glasses around the neighborhood, and it barely was noticeable. And it did a great job. The plane is completely not leveled, is like all dirt now. It's not hard rock like it used to be. And now that the other equipment such as these cranes and bulldozers and all that will level it to the point that it's they're able to build houses on it. So yeah, this was a very successful explosion, and as you can see, the left side has holes which will be filled up with dynamite, and that will also be exploded. And once that happens, I make sure to document that, and I'll set up the camera the same way in my backyard, pointing at it from a distance so the shockwave doesn't tip off the camera out of the tripod. Now notice on the left bottom corner, that's the water collection bin for the construction site, which is to make sure all the water, if it rains or any other type of a water that's used in the construction zone, shouldn't be spilled on the streets. So they have a collection bin to keep all the debris and any type of material, leftover material from the construction site, contained, and so it doesn't contaminate the city sewage system or the streets and what have you. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you're interested to get updates about this construction site and other important matters in our city, in our town, in our county, in our state, in our country, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I usually record videos about nature, about animals, and interesting things, traveling places, beautiful places, and all that. Thank you very much, and have a great day.